Hi guys, I'm back with the tarot readings for May, that is Taurus, June, that is Gemini, Cancer, and Leo. So let's see what is there for Taurus in August. Taurians, beautiful cards supporting your spiritual quest ahead. If you're going through a phase of anxiety, self-doubt, or you have certain fears that you're not good enough, you won't be able to do it. If you're exploring the option of moving into self-employment or considering to do something new, and if you have any kind of self-doubt, this is the time to overcome your fears and take the bull by the horns. You have everything to succeed. So don't worry and go ahead and trust yourself. Work on your fears so that you can do the needful, take steps and actions. It's a time for you to look into your what you do, your career. So it may not be a bad idea to consider some sort of self-employment, or if you can't really leave your job, probably start something side by side, at a small scale. Or if it has been on your mind, if any thought, any idea has been on your mind, you may want to give it a thought. A beautiful month for spiritual growth. You will really be attracted towards lot of spiritual things, looking for your life purpose, looking for the path ahead. And also at the same time, you will also find the right kind of teacher. You'll get to know about classes, you'll get to know about seminars, which will help you enhance your knowledge. Or if some of you are already in that field of spirituality, the cards say and indicate that you have all the potential to become a spiritual teacher. So go ahead, drop your fears and inhibitions and self-doubt and move ahead in that direction. Next card for Geminis, a month full of love. So it's a beautiful beautiful cards. Probably a new love or an old flame could come back into your life. If you are going through some kind of struggle in your personal relationships, this may be a time to rejuvenate and rebond your relationships. Also, some sort of windfall gain is expected in terms when it comes to money. So a small blessing or a small gain is on the cards. Also, you may, if you're really struggling with something in your life at this moment, you may need to take help of crystals, because crystals have beautiful energy. They aren't like gemstones, they have their own power. And you can check with somebody around you who can guide you as to what crystal will help you overcome the situation which you are facing or going through at the moment. Cancerians, so which is also my sign. And wow, so too many things to handle, trying to strike a balance. August month rules this. You'll have too many things in your hands. You are trying very hard to keep balance and hold your ground. And at the same time, you Cancerians may be trying to either assisting somebody to leave some kind of addiction, or you yourself would be working in on some addiction of yours. It could be food. Mine is food for sure, because being a typical Cancerian, I'm a foodie. And surprisingly, I had not seen these cards. I'm seeing it right now. And I have just signed up for, like, not signed up, but somebody is helping me to form a diet plan and leave my addiction. So I get a confirmation from the angels that yes, I'm on the right path. It is a beautiful time to also emerge out. You'll come out and shine. You're developing every day, you're growing every day in whatever sphere of life you've chosen, be it your career or your spiritual life or your personal life. One aspect of your life is really blooming, and you're really growing in that. And so this is the right time to go back to the books to study, enhance your knowledge, enroll yourself into classes, training programs, enhance your education so that you can gain that much required confidence if you're feeling low on confidence. And it'll also help you to give a lot of clarity about you, what you want to do and how to move forward. As I'm saying this, I want to share that August has been my busiest month in terms of uh, attending workshops. Like, I'm trying to add to my knowledge, and so the rest of the 3-4 days which are left in the week is completely jam packed with a lot of workshops happening. Great. August, Leo. So Leo, you seem to be going through some kind of tough time and some sort of confusion. Things are very unclear, things are not working out. It may also seem that everything is just down the drain. Some people would feel that they are under psychic attacks. Some would even think that, have this fear that something is wrong. Has somebody casted a evil spell, or something is not right, something is not working. So it's just the energies around which are such, but nothing to worry. See the beautiful card, it says keep the faith. So there's nothing to worry. This too shall pass very, very soon, and things will look up for you. um, Guardian angels are around. They are there to help you and guide you. Please don't despair, don't give up hope, don't feel dejected and rejected. Things will surely look up. At the same time, you know there's help around in the sense, you could look at alternate healing methods. If you have some issues which are deeply rooted, you can have alternate healing method you have alternate healing methods, and you can reach out to some holistic healer. At the same time, it also indicates that you have to know that the power of healing lies within you. And so if you keep your faith intact, if you keep your positivity intact, if you have the feeling of surrender and faith, surely things will look up. You are a healer. Every person has a healer in him or her, and you have to just be aware and know that you, with your confidence and with your determination, you can heal any situation which you are facing at this moment. So I've kept the video really short because I've been struggling to upload big videos. I think I missed out on the Aries. I did. So let me just quickly pull out my cards and do Aries as well, so that I like to use more than one deck to get a more rounded and holistic approach and reading. So this is for Aries. Okay, just wait a sec. Okay. Oh, so happy time for Aries. Things will look up. Stability at home with support of your partner. Happy family time. Some kind of celebration maybe on the cards. Maybe a marriage is fixed, or some celebration can happen. Birth of a new child or something like that. And if you are at all trapped in a situation where you're feeling a little hassled and stressed, it is time for you to take leadership, and you take the lead to know what to do and how to handle the situation. Finances look stable, but at the same time you need to take care of your finances, in the sense, don't splurge, over splurge, and Don't make any loose investments. Be careful on what you plan and where you invest. Take care of that, but otherwise all seems good in the field of finances. Just be a little careful, don't really overspend, and take care of the money, how you use it. And you have some good time coming up with your partner. If you're looking for a partner, it's time for you to get a soulmate. If you're looking for love, you may be getting some meeting somebody who will be your future prospect. At the same time, if you're already into a relationship or married, it's a good time. You'll get a lot of chances to spend time together. So this is for April, May, June, July. Yes, and I'll soon give the rest of the signs together. Thank you so much. If you have resonated with my reading, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment if it has resonated with you. Good night, everybody.